So what we'll basically do is we'll try to convert this into a string. Okay, so basically we'll say one. So what we will do here is make we'll try to serialize the pre-order. Okay, so if this is the tree. Okay, so if this is the tree, let me add second. Okay, so we'll say okay, one, the pre-order will come like 1 2, right? If there is nothing, then we have to add n for null nodes. Okay, we cannot skip it. This is how Deserialize will take help from this. So suppose this is a tree, 1 2 3 4 5, so the pre-order will be 1 2, then nothing is, right? N n 3 4 n n 5 n n. Okay, so now we know that we get 1 is a node, right? So next we have to go to the left guy, go create a node, nothing, right? Create nothing. Right side, nothing, create nothing. So in this way, whenever we get a nothing, we have to return, and we have to continue. Let's see the code. Okay, so in the serialize part, we'll say okay, what we will do here is we'll create a rest variable that will save the pre-order. Then we will do the pre-order function. Let's call it dfs. Okay, and then we'll say if not of node rest dot push n and return. Okay, but if there is a node, correct, if there is a node, then rest dot push node dot val. Okay, node dot val dot to string, and then again dfs of node dot left, sorry, node dot left, and dfs of node dot right. Okay, so this guy is done. Let's call the dfs. So dfs of root, and then return rest dot join. Okay, so we'll get the pre-order in a string. Next, the same thing we'll get in the data. Okay, so we will say const, let's split it. Okay, so we have split the data. Then also what we have to do is we have to try the dfs, right? Function dfs, and we have to get an index also, right? So let's have an index variable, let index equal to 0. Okay, then we'll say if val index is equal to n, then we can simply say return null, right? We can simply return null, and also we have to increase the index that this element is done. Go to next guy. Okay, if it is not, then also increase the index, and then for the current index we have to create a node, right? So const node equal to new tree node with parse end val index, then index plus plus, then in the left side of it let's do dfs again, and the right side of it let's do dfs again. Okay, and then return the node. So this dfs is also done. So we'll say okay, return dfs. Let's see. Okay, we're getting a wrong answer because node is not defined. root. Let's take the node here. Done.